Hi everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. You can visit us at peachesskincare.com. I would be grateful if you would like and subscribe to these videos. Today we're going to talk about mask rash or maskne, which is mask acne. Now it's not about the mask I tell you to do every day, like Miracle Mask and Milk and Magnesia, but it's about these masks that we're wearing to protect ourselves and protect others. A lot of them are made out of materials that are a little man-made. I'm not exactly sure the different masks out there and the different materials, but what I do know is that when I wore one the other day and when my husband wore one, we both got very irritated around our face, and it reminded me of when I've done skincare and done facials, how irritated masks would make me. Also, my daughter is a nurse at UCLA Medical Center, and they say that they're breaking out a lot, and I've heard that a lot on the news and things as well. So I thought, what a great tutorial to tell you how to take care of your skin under these masks. So why are you breaking out? Well, first of all, the skin is the largest organ of the body, and it's really not sensitive, but it doesn't like unnatural substances on it. So some of these may cause it to be very irritated. It may activate the fungus and bacteria that is always on our skin, and when we activate it is when we have an issue. And so my suggestion would be that you want to use something that helps you breathe more. Also, try not to do something that loops around your ears. One thing I notice a lot in skincare is people will have very irritated ears and they'll be broken out as well. So remember, if you cause irritation here or a cut or bacteria or fungus to get into your skin here, it can affect your skin all the way over here. Same when you're wearing your mask if it chafes your skin or irritates your skin. So try to find something that is more 100% cotton. We have these made by the lovely lady Mandy Townsend, who makes our smocks for all of our estheticians, and they're 100% cotton and they're washable. Little shout out, they will be available online while supplies last, but just try to find something that's 100% cotton and washable, or even silk. Put it on and see that it can tie not over your ears, but just around your head. So that's one thing. Look at the material you're using to put on your face. So what happens? It's just like when a baby has diaper rash. So when my children were young, I made sure to keep their bottoms really dry, and I would use cornstarch. And what cornstarch did is it kept the skin from chafing. It kept the skin from getting irritated. So when you're putting these masks on, and maybe you just shaved your face if you're a man or a woman, or maybe you have makeup on, you're adding irritation to your skin that's already going to compound the fact that when it gets sweaty and you get kind of sebum building, dirt and oil, you're going to really have some irritations under your mask. So keep your skin nice and clean. My skin is nice and clean. You can start with some apple cider vinegar and some water. You can spray with our ACV toner just to get your pH right and get that bacteria and fungus killed. And then you can put on some Monistat 7. Monistat 7 is also going to help prevent bacteria and fungus. All those yucky irritations you get on your skin and all that, those pimples or redness, that's fungus, that's bacteria. You can take, and before you put on your mask, you can put a little cornstarch on. And a lot of my estheticians will use cornstarch as their powder. It's not this white. You can put it on with a powder brush and you can make it seem more subtle, but this is really going to keep your skin dry and protected against these masks when you wear them. You can also take some of your Milk and Magnesia and put that on right under your mask. Now, a lot of people might think, I'm not putting on Milk and Magnesia just to go to the grocery store, especially if you're going to take off your mask in the car. Me personally, as long as I'm not going to break out, I'll do it. But this is more for someone who might be in their mask all day. But either will work beautifully. You want to make sure to maybe not wear any lip stuff on your lips right now. Just keep this area super clean before you put on your mask. Another idea is that when you put on your mask, maybe take a piece of silk scarf or something that's made out of cotton, put it over your face like so, and then put your mask over it, just like this. So my point being, a nice protective barrier. I hope this helps you to have healthier skin while you're going through this time. I think we're going to have masks on for a while, and it's really important that you understand that if you break out these areas, they can affect your skin on your chest, your neck, your décolleté, and your back. So keep your skin super clean. Wear a mask that is either 100% cotton or silk, washable. Make sure you're washing your masks just like anything else that you would put by your skin. Keep your pillowcases clean right now so that's not irritating your face anymore. And if you have any questions or I haven't covered something that maybe you're going through with this, don't hesitate to comment below or reach out to me. I haven't done a quote in a while, so I thought I would. It will all make sense one day. If there's something I realize in my 50s, things always work out better than you can dream. And I have to remind myself of that as well. It's no joke how we're all feeling a little stressed and a little anxious. We have good days and bad days. But remember, in the end, there will be an answer to this, and sometimes it ends up being better than we can ever dream. I hope you have an incredible day. You stay in, you keep yourself healthy and others, and I hope you enjoyed our little mask tutorial.